Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a Filipino dessert or treat called Maja Blanca, which is coconut pudding. So let's get started. What you're going to need first, so you'll need a half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of sugar, fourth a cup of water, and 2 cups of coconut milk. We've got right here coconut milk, which you can get in the refrigerated section now in most stores, and 14-ounce bag of coconut flakes, grated coconuts, and you use the whole bag, or about 3 cups, which is about 3 cups the whole bag is. So alright, and also what you'd need in order to do this is you'll need a glass pan, or so, and you want to get this buttered. You'll need a saucepan, and to toast the coconut flakes you'll need a baking sheet. So, well, let's get to going and see how this turns out. This is really good, and I use it occasionally for when I got a potluck dinner to go to. So here we go, let's get going. Okay guys, while we're getting this done here, we're gonna put the coconut milk in and start to get it to boil. Okay, and got the oven preheating, and we're going to put the coconut flakes on. So what we're going to do here, and now as we're going to mix the cornstarch and sugar together. I'm just making a mess on this one. We're going to get it stirred in there and get the alright. Now, and we're going to put the water in, the mixture, get it all mixed in there. Alright. Okay, now as you see, it's a nice little liquid. So try to get the stuff on the sides in there. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is maneuver around this big mess. We're going to open this bag. Here, I got cornstarch on here. And we're going to spread out the coconut flakes here on the baking sheet, and all spread out here. This is some good stuff here. Smells so good. Alright, now what we're going to do here, that's while we're waiting for the coconut milk to boil. We're gonna put these in the oven, let it toast. We got that at 350 to let it toast a little bit. That's what we're waiting on. This coconut milk, we're gonna get it to a boil. Alright, and well, it's getting ready to boil, hopefully. Try to clean that mess up. We're gonna get the baking pan here, buttered up, spray with the spray here. Alright, there we go. So we're just gonna wait for this to boil here. Starting to boil now. Get you in here better to see it. Alright, well, I'll let it get to a boil here and then we'll be right back. Okay, we got the coconut milk to a boil. Now what we're going to do is start adding the sugar and cornstarch to the mixture. You're going to want to let it boil and gradually do it here. Let it boil for about 5 minutes until the cornstarch is cooked. You already feel it thickening up here. This is the good thing. So hopefully you can keep it stirring so you don't get it. There we go. Alright, let's get it all stirred in there. I'm going to get it boiling for about 5 minutes here. Turn it around just a little bit. This is looking good. You got it nice stirred in here. Alright, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, we got that, it's done here. Let's look at that. Yeah, alright. What you want to do here, we'll go ahead and turn that off here. And we'll next thing you want to do is take this, the coconut mixture, and we want to put it in to the baking pan here. It's got buttered. Oh gosh, this looks so good right now. Just spread this all out. Okay. Let's get all this goodness in here. Get it all spread out. Alright. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is you're gonna let this cool for a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for a little bit. Let it cool that way to cool it down. So I'll see you in a few minutes, and when the coconut flakes are toasted, we'll put them on here. Okay, we'll see you in a minute or two. Okay guys, we had this cooled. I got the look at those flakes, coconut flakes toasted. Look at those nice toasted flakes. Alright, now what we're going to do here is very simple. Go ahead and grab another spoon here. We're going to take the coconut flakes and we're going to get them broke up and spread them all over this baking sheet here. Yeah. Getting all spread out throughout here. Alright guys, here we go. Okay, here you go guys. This is Maja Blanca. It's a coconut pudding, kind of like, and it's a Filipino dish, so I enjoy. So let me get a knife and a spoon, and I'm going to enjoy some of this here. Here we go. Let me cut down in here. Alright, I don't know if you can see it in there very good, but it's got the little pudding right there, and then you got your thing. So let's go ahead and give this a try here. Let me get this piece right here. Here we go. Wow, this tastes really good. Halfway tempted to eat the whole thing right now. But I really enjoy this. It's another Filipino dish that I make. Well, some people will put cream corn in it, which is another way that Filipinos do it. I haven't had it that way yet, but I'm sure it tastes good. And well, comment below if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and watch some of my other videos. And I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna finish this one up here.